Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna explain the basics of Bitcoin, how it works and why it is valuable.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that is based on a revolutionary technology called blockchain. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous individual or group using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, Bitcoin has grown to become the most well-known and valuable cryptocurrency in the world. The basic concept behind Bitcoin is that it is a digital asset that can be sent from one person to another without the need for intermediaries like banks. Transactions are recorded on a public ledger called the blockchain, which is maintained by a network of computers called nodes that work together to validate and record transactions. One of the key features of Bitcoin is that it is decentralized, meaning it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This gives it a level of autonomy and makes it resistant to censorship. It also means that transactions are faster and cheaper than traditional bank transfers. Another important aspect of Bitcoin is that it is scarce. Only 21 million Bitcoins will ever be created, and as more and more Bitcoins are mined, the process becomes increasingly difficult. This scarcity is what gives Bitcoin its value, as it is similar to gold, which is also a scarce resource. Bitcoin is also highly divisible, meaning that it can be broken down into tiny fractions called Satoshis, which are worth 100 millionth of a Bitcoin. This makes it possible for anyone to own and use Bitcoin regardless of their net worth. Bitcoin has also proven to be a highly secure and reliable form of payment. Since its creation, there have been no successful hacks of the Bitcoin network, and the blockchain technology that it is based on is considered to be virtually unbreakable. In conclusion, Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital currency that is based on blockchain technology. It's decentralized, scarce, divisible, and highly secure. It has the potential to change the way we think about and use money, making it a valuable asset to own. So in your opinion, out of all these reasons, what do you think is the number one reason Bitcoin is extremely valuable and of course will be in the future? So guys, if you're new to crypto, make sure to subscribe and make sure to smash the like button, guys, if you enjoyed this video. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the Crypto Mining channel. I wish you all a great day and talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.